We are at a new one, guys. Today, customer would like for this tub. Look at this tub, y'all. Old school jacuzzi tub for old folks. She want this out. She want this out. Look at it though. It's kind of nice though, if you know what I'm saying. But we gonna go ahead and get this out. Nice sit down shower. So anybody want it? Anybody want it? Going once. Bids. Y'all put y'all bids in. No, we finna cut this bug out of here. We finna cut it and destroy, y'all. Do some demo today.
Here get on these handicap.
One love, y'all.
These handicap joints out of here. Said I fall in and I can't get up.
That's deep, though.
Deep as hell. But
That's real deep. You almost on the toilet. You down here.
Yeah.
You down here, too.
Somebody can sit right there while you eat.
Do this type of work. Kind of find crazy stuff. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna try to get down here and show y'all these outlets. Under there, they got some outlets. Some all in here. Y'all see that outlet?
Getting the power to the jacuzzi part.
Outlets. That's dangerous. Water in there, y'all going, that's cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just so y'all know, the right way to do that would not have been to put it in the wall. It would have been to make it an external box on the outside of the wall attached to this somewhere. So the likelihood of water running down the wall, that's a mat wall right there. So if there's water running down that wall, it's a wrap.
Alright. Alright, y'all. So we failed. We failed. We couldn't get it out, y'all. We fucked up this customer house. We got it. We got it. Y'all know we got it out of here. That's all gone to the good room. Oh, shower. So now we're gonna cut all this out. I'm gonna cut all the tile out, re-drywall, and a new shower. Alright, y'all. So let's show y'all where we at with it real quick. Boom. We are almost there. Got the shower in. Gotta finish up a little bit of plumbing still. But for the most part, I was finna not turn up.
I thought I pulled out to get away.
I thought I was heard water though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I turned it on a
Right.
little bit.
If he was gonna get soaked.
Man, that's all I thought about that fast. I'm gonna have a wet foot. If my feet get wet with socks on, I shrink 3 more feet.
Like Mario. Straight go back to the little Mario, boy. Used to hate when you the little Mario. You could, hops though.
Yeah, I was, you couldn't jump to the shit you normally needed to.
No,
So we could make sure it's no leaks. Like from, it shouldn't be nothing that's pecs in it. But also, just in case this comes on. Dang. Yeah, it was like, yeah, this is probably about to blow y'all mind.
right.
I always be scratching these up with my red monkey wrench.
And then everybody stuck it in there.
He stuck a screwdriver in there.
Interesting.
He's like, yeah, you can just do this right here.
Right.
He's like,
Yeah, I got that.
I was like, alright.
Y'all, this is the finale. We are done. It's a wrap. In the shower. Y'all go right there. That is it. Get it out.